Hello dear students, welcome to Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. This is Jigyasha Prajapati presenting here class 6 Computer Science video lectures of chapter 10 Introduction to Flash CS6 part 2. Students, in the previous part of this chapter we have learnt about the Flash CS6 software and its components. Now in this video we are going to cover up some of shape tools and selection tools. So students, you have to open your computer book at page number 109. Now we will start with our next shape tool, which is pen tool. This tool is used to draw flowing curves. We can also adjust the slope of curve after drawing. So students, if you want to draw curves on the Flash, then we can use the pen tool from the tools panel. To use pen tool, follow the given steps. Our first step is select the pen tool. Next, click on Flash stage to define the anchor or point A. So students, first you have to select the pen tool from the tools panel, then you have to define a anchor, or we can say a point A for the curve. Okay. Next, in the step third, click at a distance to define the anchor or point B. After the point A, now we have to define the point B at a particular distance. Now fourth point, put pointer on any anchor, press Alt key and drag the pen tool to get curve. Let's see how to get curve in the Flash canvas. Students, here you can see this is your pen tool. Okay, this is your pen tool. So first we have to click on this pen tool, then we have to define 2 points, point A and point B on this stage area. Okay, then you can see student, a curve has been drawn on your Flash canvas. Okay, this is your canvas. Now we will move to our next topic, which is pencil tool. So this is our next shape tool. Pencil tool is used to make freehand drawing. Students, if you want to make the freehand drawing on the Flash, then we have to use the pencil tool. To use pencil tool, follow the given steps. Our first step is select the pencil tool from the tools panel. Next, select a stroke color and style from the properties panel and draw the required shape on the stage. Let's see. This is your Flash screen. Here, using this pencil tool, I have drawn here two shapes. First shape is triangle shape with the blue stroke color, and this is another shape which is a shape of cube using the yellow stroke color. Okay students, now we will move to our next topic, which is selection tools. Students, we use selection tools to select any object or any shape on the Flash canvas. Okay, various selection tools provided by the Flash CS6 are as listed below. The first selection tool is lasso tool. Lasso tool is a freehand selection tool. It is used to select irregular shapes or objects. To use the lasso tool, follow the given steps. Now we will see what are the steps to use the lasso tool in the Flash CS6. Our first step is select the lasso tool from the tools panel. Next, move the mouse pointer on the stage. You will see a lasso shape. Okay. So when you move your mouse pointer on the stage, you can see the lasso tool on the stage. Next, click and drag it around the object to select the shape. Next, release the mouse button after selecting. Then you can see the lasso shape on your stage. Let's see. Students, this is your Flash screen, okay, or we can say this is your Flash interface, and here I have already drawn an image, or we can say a shape of oval here. Now using this lasso tool, I have drawn a lasso shape here. Okay, you can see here, this is the black color line, this is your lasso shape, okay, which is the selection tool. Now we will move to our next selection tool, which is sub selection tool. This tool is used to select the nodes of an object. Students, if you want to select the nodes of the already defined object, then we have to use the sub selection tool. You can change the shape of an object by using the nodes. Okay, so we use sub selection tool to change the shape of the predefined object. Next, to use this tool, simply click the sub selection tool from the tools panel and then click any edge of the object. Next, the nodes of the objects will appear, and when you drag these nodes, the shape of the object will change accordingly. let's see the use of this selection tool in the Flash CS6. Here you can see student, I have drawn here a rectangle with a yellow color, okay. Then I have clicked on this sub selection tool. When I click on this sub selection tool, here on the corner positions of this rectangle you can see the green color nodes, okay. This is nodes. So this rectangle has 4 nodes. If you want to change the shape of this rectangle, then you have to click on these nodes, and using the mouse you can easily drag these nodes and change the shape of this rectangle, okay. Now we will see the practicals of these topics one by one. To start the practical, first we have to click on the start button, then select the all programs, and here we have to click on the Adobe Master Collection. Now we have to click on the Adobe Flash Professional CS6. This is, click on it. Then your Flash software will be start on your computer screen. Here we have to click on the file option, then new. Now select the action script, okay. Then your Flash software will be appear on your computer screen. So first we will see the practical of the shape tool, which is pen tool, okay. So this is your pen tool. Now we will select the stroke color, or we can say outline color for the pen. Here I have choose the green color, and first we have to define the point A. Now we will define this point B, okay. And using the Alt key from the keyboard you can define any line or curve on this stage. Okay student, now we will see our next practical, which is the practical of the pencil tool. So first we have to select the pencil from the tools panel. This is your pencil tool. Now we will increase the size of the stroke for the pencil using this stroke scroll bar. Now we will select the color for the pencil stroke, okay. Here I have choose the blue color. Now we will start drawing freehand curves on the stage. So first I will make here a triangle using the pencil. Now I will change the color, and here I will choose the yellow color for my next shape, okay. And also change the stroke size. Now here I will draw a cube using the pencil. So for the cube, first we have to create a square here. So this is our first square. Next again we have to make a square here. Now we have to join the corners of these two square, okay. So this is your cube shape that we have made using the pencil tool, okay students. Now we will move to our next practical, which is the practical of selection tools, okay. For the selection tool, first we will draw a shape here. Choose the color for the shape. So here I will draw a oval using the blue color and red stroke color. Now we will click on the lasso tool from the tools panel, and now using the mouse we will start drawing the lasso shape over this image, okay. So here you can see student, when I draw here the lasso shape, you can see students some area of the shape has been selected. You can see this area, okay student. So this is your lasso tool, which is a selection tool by which we can select any part of the image or the object. Now we will see the practical of next selection tool, which is sub selection tool. For this I will draw here a rectangle, okay. Now we will click on this sub selection tool. Sub selection tool, click on it from the tools panel. Now click on the nodes of this rectangle, okay. Here you can see the 4 nodes appear with the green color, okay. Now using the mouse we will drag these nodes, and here you can see student the shape has been changed whenever you drag the nodes. So your shape has been changed from the previous one, okay. So students, I hope you have understood all the practicals that we have seen today. Students, the remaining topic of this chapter we will discuss in the next video of this chapter. So thank you students, have a nice day.